SSI ShipConstructor 2020 includes a number of improvements to help you use the Clash Manager and Clash Palette features more effectively. Clashes now support the use of string lists for user-defined attributes from within Manager, which provide drop-down list options for users to choose from both the Clash Palette and Clash Manager in ShipConstructor. Now, you can add multiple options to the Clash UDA selections, thereby reducing data entry errors and providing standardized options for users to select based on your requirements. Once selected, these are also visible from the Object Properties menu from within Navisworks and the Object Enabler as read-only options. For our example, we have created a category where we can assign a clash to a specific group from the list to handle penetrations, pipe configuration, welds, and quality control. Furthermore, once you have searched for clashes, you can now zoom to the clash directly simply by right-clicking on the listed item and selecting Zoom to Clashing Part. This can dramatically save time and frustration, especially when dealing with a complex model or multiple components. SSI is continually working towards making it easier for you to efficiently perform tasks, such as clash detection, which is why improvements to the Clash palette such as List UDAs and the new Zoom To features will save time and help reduce errors.